We will continue one more video. Here saturated hydrocarbons. Okay, what is saturated hydrocarbon? The hydrocarbon which at least one single covalent bond between two carbon atoms in a molecule is called saturated. Example for saturated hydrocarbon. First one is alkane. Okay, now we will discuss here what is the definition of alkane. Introduction structure of alkane we will discuss in this video. Okay, that is simply actually the alkanes are saturated hydrocarbon. The general formula of alkane, the hydrocarbon which at least single covalent bond between two carbon atoms in a molecule is called alkane. The valency of four carbon atoms are satisfied by the compounds in which all the four valencies of carbon satisfied by atom or group of atoms are also called saturated hydrocarbons. Here, simply the hydrocarbon which at least one single covalent bond between two carbon atoms in a molecule is called alkane. General formula of alkane is general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2, where n is a number of carbon atoms. In case here you can observe number of carbon atoms, formula and name of the compound. If number of carbon atoms is 1, then the formula CH4. What is the name of this compound? Methane. 2 carbons, C2H6, ethane. N is equal to 3, C3H8. Name of the compound is propane. N is equal to 4, number of carbon atoms 4, C4H10, butane. Like that, if N is equal to 5, C5H12, pentane. Like that, here if N is equal to 5, C5H12, pentane, C6H14, hexane, C8H16. Like that. In case number of 6 carbons are there, C6H14, hexane, 7, C7, H16, heptane, 8 carbons, C8, H18, octane, and so on. Okay, in this alkanes undergoes sp2 hybridization. For example, I am taking here example, the simplest hydrocarbon is methane. In this methane molecule, the central atom is carbon. It undergoes sp3 hybridization. How to formation of sp3 hybridization? Atomic number of carbon is 6. Electronic configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. The excited state electron configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. 1s2s orbital, 3 2px, 2py, 2pz orbitals are combined to give 4 sp3 identical new orbitals. This is 1 sp3, 2 sp3, 3 sp3, 4 sp3 identical hybrid orbital of one carbon atom. These 4 hybrid orbitals, sp3 hybrid orbitals of one carbon atom is linearly overlapping with 1s atomic orbital of atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Electronic configuration of hydrogen 1s1. Okay, these 4 sp3 identical hybrid orbital of one carbon atom is linearly overlapping with 1s atomic orbital of 4 hydrogen atoms to form 4 sp3 s sigma bond. That's why we carbon, hydrogen. Then the shape of the molecule is a tetrahedral shape. And the bond angle of the molecule is 109 degrees 28 minutes. This is information about structure of alkane. Okay, alkanes here, alkanes containing between carbon and carbon single polar bond is there. Carbon, hydrogen also sigma bonds, formation of sigma bonds. Alkanes contains between carbon and hydrogen, sigma bonds are formed. This is information about what is the structure of alkane. Alkanes under normal conditions are inert, cannot react with acids and as well as the bases. Even reagents, other reagents also cannot react because it is also called paraffins. Okay, alkanes is also called paraffins. Para means little or small quantity. Affinity means affinity. Simply little affinity. This is information about structure of alkane. Next video we will discuss how to prepare alkanes. Thank you.